Hi, it's Joe from WHR Marketing, and today I'm going to take you through our Nichescraper review. So if we head to Nichescraper, first of all let's have a look at getting started, because here they're going to have lots of handy tutorials for you. So after you finish watching this video, if you want to sign up and have a look through their tutorials and their next steps, there's lots of great videos that are going to help you. I won't take you through that today. I'll just take you through the main features. So if we start with Product Scraper. Now Product Scraper is great for finding products through competition, growth rate and ally score. So competition, that basically means how saturated the market is for that product. So with this we want actually a lower score, so 0 to 50. Growth rate is the amount of orders over the last 7 days. So let's go for a growth rate of 50 plus. And ally score, that's the overall drop shipping potential, so let's go 60 plus. And if you see growth rate and ally score, they both say to 1000, but actually I think that's slightly wrong, because I usually see products that are just below 100. That's a good product, so I think that's supposed to be up to 100, but that doesn't matter anyway. So if I go down, we've got nothing there, so maybe I'll have to lower my growth rate. Here we go. Right, so here we've been given 2 products that have been scraped together, and when I click on one of these products it will take me straight to AliExpress, so straight to the suppliers, so I can put these products straight on my Shopify store. If you look here, we'll have a look at this one. So the ally score, that's a pretty good ally score. The growth rate, you can even see it on the graph. Okay, over the last couple of days you can see the demand for that item has really shot up, and the competition is still low, and obviously the lower is the better, as it says here, because that means there's less people selling that item. So if you look over the last few days, so on the 19th of February 4 orders, then the 20th there was 6 orders, 21st that shot up all the way up to 263 orders, and then the next day there's another 260 orders. Okay, and again the same with this product. You can see here over the last few days there's been a large amount of orders, and down here there's some more useful information here. This obviously tells you the top country where this particular product has been selling. So if I click here, it will take me straight through to the product, and then we can obviously import that to our Shopify store, which you've probably seen in my previous videos how to do stuff like that. I won't go into details, you will know yourself. Right, so that's the Product Scraper tool. Let's move on to the Handpicked tool, and Handpicked is winning products that have been uploaded by the researchers for Nichescraper. So these new winning products have been added every day, and obviously the higher your subscription on Nichescraper, the better access to these winning products you'll get. So as we can see here, this has been added 4 hours ago, this one a day ago, 2 days ago, so on. There's lots and lots of products. Obviously let's just check this product, the available info. It's got the profits that you can look to make, Facebook ad material, targeting, links and video. So let's just choose this one for example. Right, this handy button here, again, that will allow you to directly import that straight to your Shopify store. And we've got lots of analytics, so we've got a picture if you want. Obviously you can make your own picture, that would be even better. You've got a description that you can use, again you can edit that with some SEO work. I'll be discussing that on lots of other videos. Down here you have the cost of the product, the selling price they recommend to sell it for on your store, and the profit margin. So lots of great analytics there. Down here this will take you straight to the AliExpress supplier as before. This will take you to where the product is being sold on Amazon. Here you'll get a Facebook ad of that product, and here you'll get the store selling this product, and again a video URL. So have a look. So if I just click this for example, a store selling this product, There we go. We can see this product in action. Okay, we can see a very good store, how they're selling these items. I go back. We've got a video here. You can use that video. Again, I won't go into that, but you can use their videos. Nichescraper's had a look at engagement for this product. Again, their researchers, they do work really hard to find these winning products, and again, engagement goes a long way into that. Here's the Facebook ad. You can have the copy here. You can see all the demographics here where I'm pointing to. You can go into that. And here's some example targeting. So they're targeting to the US, all genders, age range. That's basically all the age ranges. And there's your interest. Again, obviously you have to test those ads. You're going to have to narrow down, explore what works for you and your business. Down here you got your real buyers reviews from AliExpress, so you can see what people are saying about this product. Direct from the supplier, so you can see if that is the product you want to sell on your store, if it's of good quality. Now the next aspect we want to look at Nichescraper is their market research. So you can actually analyze different Shopify stores, and this is really handy. Again, so if I click store analysis, this will allow us to check thousands of top Shopify stores. So if I go down here, again, if you want to get more specific, you can use the categories here or enter a Shopify store name, and it's got the popular Shopify stores already. So what this will do, this will tell you roughly, so estimated traffic and revenue of these sites, and it will also tell you the products they are selling. So if I choose, let's have a look, bellabeat.com, if I click traffic and revenue, these are top Shopify stores, so they're getting an estimated monthly orders, nearly 4,000 orders a month. Look at the revenue. Okay, so then they're in the region of around $400,000 per month. And then down here, this is really interesting. So this is their recently added products and their best selling products. So you can use this and actually copy the products straight to your store. Okay, and again, if we click their website, what you can do is search for a store specific to your niche that you're interested in creating, or you've already created. And what you can do is look at ways to make a better site, make a better user experience. Okay, so let's have a look. And again, this Bella Beat, I'm just using this as an example, but it looks like a lovely website. Okay, but you can think of your ways of how you would beat this competitor. It might be better content, it might be SEO strategies, or you might be amazing at creating Facebook ads. Whatever you need to do, okay, you have some guidance here on how your competitors are working, what you need to do, and what could you improve on. Again, I keep going back to SEO. We are an SEO agency, a digital marketing agency, so that's something we specialize in. If you know your SEO, then you can run a lot of content, okay, and backlinks, and get a lot of traffic to your website for similar products that you can find through Nichescraper, through these websites. It's all there. Right, the last thing I want to look at is the video ad maker. This is a really cool and quick tool that you can use. So what I'm going to have to use is one of these products. So because we're already here, if I go to leaf crystal, again, I'm just using the products from their website. It could be any products at all from any of the websites on Shopify. If I just click and I copied and paste that product here. If I put fetch images, then I get all the images coming from that page. So I can use that one. Again, you can upload your own images. Okay, select some music. Again, there's lots on there you can select. Add some text. I won't go through all of this. You can do that yourself. Then if I click generate video, it won't take too long. This should create a nice simple video that you can use for Facebook ads, or you can use it in general. You don't even have to use it for ads. But here we go, here's an example. And again, as you saw, I didn't put any effort into this. You can make yours a lot better. Okay, so there we have it. So Nichescraper. What I want to know is, what is the best Shopify tool that you've used? Okay, because I think Nichescraper is right up there if you have a Shopify store. I've left a discounted link in the description for Nichescraper. So if I was you, I would have a try with it, to be honest, because there's no monthly contracts. If you don't like it, get rid of it after a month. But I think you'll be rather pleasantly surprised at how well this can serve you and your Shopify store. Thank you for watching our Nichescraper review today. If you prefer reading articles, then head over to our website, have a look at our blog. So we've got lots of different articles based on products that will help you succeed online. So if you have a look here, we've got quite a few already. Here's our Nichescraper review in writing, so you can have a look, go through that. We've got lots of other reviews on there. As I said earlier in the video, we are a digital marketing agency, so if you need any help on those types of services, including SEO, give us a shout. And yeah, please like and subscribe to our channel. I'm Joe from WHR Marketing. See you next time.